Hello, Mario! AUTOCAD Basic 13.1 Mechanical Plate. Hello, welcome. Well, in this video we're going to take a look at drawing up a mechanical plate. These are a series of projects that will help you develop further the skills that you have attained already. So in this instructional video we will be looking at line, offset, circle, trim, fillet and chamfer. So let's head over to the AutoCAD there and make a start. And to do that we are going to start a new drawing called plate 1.dwg based on the mechanical millimeter DWT. So that's file, new, and then we will navigate to our practice file folder, and that's where we will find that particular template file for the there, that's it, mechanical millimeters.dwt. so that'll be it there, and that'll open up like so. So draw the object above, and commands can use line, offset, circle. So let's get the plan. And so it looks like it's based on a rectangle that's 380 millimeters and 200. So let's get that drawn. So let's go line here, and well, let's get ortho on, and is that, oh yes, that's good, and 200 millimeters. Oh, that's quite large there, isn't it? So let's get that all into the picture, and then we're going to go that way 380, and bring that all, hopefully bring that all into the frame. And then we'll come back down there 200, yes, and then we'll just close it all up, and there's our outline. Perhaps a little, just bring it in a little smaller there. Alright, so let's have a look. So on this side here, it looks like, oh, they're 25 radius. 25 radius. So I'm looking at oh yes, 25 for doing the fillets on this end. Well, not the fillets, the chamfer. So we've hit chamfer there, and the method is distance. We'll do the distance method, I think. D for distance, and specify the chamfer distance, which will be 25, and the chamfer distance will be 25. So there's the first line, and there's the second line, and then we'll repeat the chamfer, select the first line, and there's the second line. So that's the chamfers done, and now let's have a look at the fillet. The fillets. I get too over there and I get lost out of camera range. So I see some of my videos as I go around my classes, and I think you must learn, but I continually want to lean over there. So chamfer fillet up here is fillet. Okay, and the radius that we want for that, R for radius, is again a 25 millimeter radius. So the first object there and there, there's our radius there, and then right click and repeat the fillet there and there. So that's got our fillets done. Now we need to put an arc. Oh, there's a line through there. think we can draw that line probably. Just draw that line through there. So that's just going to go through there. And it's going to intersect there, I think. I'll just check that should be at 0 degrees, 380, which is correct. So we could just copy that, CP, enter, select the objects, finish the selection, grab the endpoint, and we'll just put a copy of it there, which is all pretty easy, pretty well and good. And now let's get this radius or an arc into here. So we'll try the arc, and we can go, we've got the center and the radius, center and radius. I don't know about, well, yeah, I think we could just about draw a circle, might be easier, and put that in there like that, and the radius is going to be 50. Okay, and then we'll just do a trim, TR, a trim, and we'll trim to this line here, and we'll trim to the circle, finish our selection. So we'll get rid of that there and get rid of that there, and there you go. Robert's your father's brother. It's done. So that's that all done. Well, I put that in the middle, so I didn't need that 100 there, and so we can now all we've got to do is the slots. So the slots are, let's I'm just going to use, I use a construction line which might not have been as XL, and we can do one offset, enter, and specify the offset. So I'm going to go with a 50 offset, and then I'm just going to select this line here and go there like that, and go there like that. Now these construction lines, they are continuous right throughout the whole job, so they go, if you peel back, they go forever. So they're quite handy, and then they're pretty easy to delete at the end. So then we've got another one, so just XL, enter, and we're just putting that one at 40. Okay, and oh, I'm not sure. XL, enter, offset distance is 40, and select the line. So that's 40 off this line here, there, and then there's another one. Oh, it doesn't say that it's 40. I would say that it was, but I'm going to, just to be sure, I'm just going to go O for offset and do a 70 mil offset of that one there, because that's what it says. Okay, so then I'm just going to do a circle, C for circle, C, enter, and I'm just going to put one there, and that's going to be 13, radius 13, and oh, C, enter, 13, oops, I've gone all over, gone haywire. C, enter, center of the circle, 13 is the radius, and that's it there. And then I'm just going to go CP for copy, and I'm just going to grab that circle and go bang, bang, bang. Okay, then we can, well, we don't need these anymore, so they can come out. Okay, and then we can go circle. Oh, now what was that? Oh yes, we can come down to here and turn on the tangent to the circle, like so, tangent, and then we can just draw a line from there to there. Okay, and then we can just go CP, and then we can just draw another line. I guess would be the easiest. Repeat line, just going from, I'm poking out of my box there again, I suspect, like that. Enter. Repeat line. There, and repeat line there and there, and then do a trim TR double hit and just take all of the stuff out of the middle like so, or even you can just extend it out like that. There you go, there's our mechanical plate all drawn up according to the specifications on the plan there. So that brings us to the end of yet another video, this one on the mechanical plate. The side of my head's disappearing there. So the mechanical plate, yes, is done, and we'll move on. Cheers, see you.